guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lobisa J back with another video. Thank you so much for clicking in. If you are new here, my name is Lobisa Jao. I'm a South African mom of 4 living in the United States with her Ghanaian husband. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Yes guys, today it's a beach day. Yes, it's been long coming. The kids have been waiting so long to have this day, and I'm so excited to bring them back here. I'm not in the mood for no beach, but I have to do it for them. So yeah, we are coming into my neighborhood. You guys, this is my prayer, guys. This neighborhood is my prayer. I'm praying that God will, bless me with a house in this neighborhood, God. So yeah, it's a beautiful day. The sun is not as harsh on the skin, and we had our drinks in the coolers. We're just gonna spend the time here and have a good time. So yeah, please kindly watch this video to the end. Hit that like button to support and uplift this channel. So yeah, as you can see, you guys, we are in the water. The kids are already in the water. And you guys, there's one thing that I've realized is that I'm no more a fan of the beach. You guys, when I first moved to this state, my heart was so into the beach because the beach is so close to home. Like, I can drive. It's like a 25-minute drive if I'm not mistaken. But this time when I came to the beach, I felt like something was totally off, you guys. First of all, the water was really nasty. It doesn't looking really good, and it was so salty, you guys. Like, I'm telling you, my body was so sticky because of the salt. But yeah, in all, the kids totally enjoyed being here, and I don't think we'll ever come back here. I'm thinking of doing water parks in the future, or a private pool or anything like that. Beach, no more. I don't even know how am I gonna tell these kids that we cannot do it anymore. But I think if we go to water parks, they're gonna love it. So we had a good time. At this moment, we are leaving because it was starting to be a little bit harsh. The sun was starting to be so strong, and you guys, I love walking through this path, going into the houses. Like, you guys, this neighborhood is my dream. It's my dream neighborhood. Pray for me. Pray for me. So at this point, you guys, we're just packing our things and going back home. And one thing I love about going out like this at the beach or anywhere, playing a play place with the kids, when they get home, all they can do is to take a shower and take a nap. And that gives me time to me and my myself. So you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate. I hope to see you in my next one. Kindly comment down below and see you in the next one.